What's it? It's a 49. Fishing World 876. Rumba? Get wet. Yeah!
I must joke on that neck.
You're not gonna watch them back? I'm happy.
Happy?
Hungry? No. Ask her everything. You don't know it.
Yeah man, good morning again my peeps. You see today man. There this morning I gotta do some pot fishing, you see me? Then right after left and go up on the river, go do a cook out to the bridge and then you see it. Yeah man, it's a guy pick man, it's a tough. So stay tuned and see what going on, man, you see me? Yeah man, fishing early 2-6 outside man. Yeah man, so right after I go to one of the many hidden spots in Portland, you see me? Nice river spot man. Just I do a little cook out, you see it? And chill, nice vibe on the river. So the stay tuned and see what going on, man. You see me? Nice river vibe. Yeah man, so this morning, there we stop up, you see it? Boat ready and load up. Put your water in the morning, eh? First spot, you know. But I'm morning, you know. Some lobster and some snapper. One grunt. Nice snapper. Lobster. Because a deep water pot, if you have a good length of rope on the water, just in case it roll off. And other day, you know. So you don't know where I set one, you know. Next water forward. Few swimmings. Decent catch, you know? Yeah, man. Nice little catch, you know? Nice little catch. Few jack. Some snapper and one big sauce up fish. And some lionfish, you know? One puffer fish. Nice size puffer fish. Next fish, but you know. So the one ain't going too tough, so move it and carry it somewhere else, you know. Catch on one lobster and a few little fish, nothing major. Water forward. Jackfruit. Silver, you limit to. Well, we see a nice size. Not a bad catch. Few goalie and one silver eel. Ugly silver eel. What am I in waist? In waist.
Can you ride it?
No? Not okay. That one again. Share them. So we just fall back in, you know. Still active, is it? But just stay tuned for the river part, you see me? Yeah, man, we're going to link up and now check in, you see me? Just stay and watch her go on, man. Nice hidden gem.
Best exclusive, no girl me fuck, but me not tell you no lie.
I know, man.
Thank you.
Chef.
You move for yourself, man.
For you, from the one to get me say river so short a girl when you me can look all about a girl. Me not to go home and look here and there. Tell her shed tear and not tell me she care. And me go put more in.
Cat, I'm drinking toe soup. Toe soup. It's so bad. Me don't know where she put tonight, but it's bad. Them put everything in that soup. Right now it's soup, so then I send for $10,000. What's it? It's a put tonight. That's here, no. Fishing World 876 lifestyle. I'm gonna check them out right now. If me I say it's wrong, I'm gonna correct me. Me don't know where it go. Fishing World 876. So hold on, taste this. We are rated soup from 10 out of 10.
Wait him up, down a mad name a try. The eagle a fly and make a 59 guy. The boy come and tell me same tough but I the bone of them suffer than a butterfly. The beast
yes, hold on.
6'6", any girl, any guy, baby 6 foot 6 feet, 6 piece of plan. Short like half, no ears so fly, then punish tongue long gun, then raise up.
They say after pussy night. And wild and squid. Man, I tell you no lie, the soup no start or nothing. The soup no start or nothing. The baller down there say easy, I don't know. See there? Don't put up on the soup, I tell you no $10,000 anyone me. Did I sell that soup here? No river would keep. Out a roadside, me going idea. And say phone number baller. If on live TV a joke. Guys, the dog take a detour pan way. Guys, he take a detour pan way, a joke thing. So you want a party cancel for now. And I water with the dog go with the GoPro now. It cancel. Yo.
You're going to water?
Alright. Yeah. That's everywhere. I water with it. A party with a party. Oh God, oh God, oh God, oh God. Let's have you be party. What's it? What's it? Then now let's see what's it. Hey, them have to go put me a place. We are good on there, sir. Chat, we are good on there. Yeah! Chat, them have to clear with. Them have to clear with, chat. Boy! Life, please! What's up? Chat. Chat. And money we find enough. Money. We find money. 1, 2, $250 on my own. On a bright. They have to request me on that channel more often. Fishing World 876. We need to carry up on some adventure. I love the thing. You see me? And it's a boom. When you follow the dog them on YouTube and click up the bell. Ring up the dog them bell and so hold it for something. You see it? When you go over TikTok, I father with my name for all platforms here. When you know worry on yourself, when you go see more often on the app, man. You see it? Because we can take on the road with them. We not lie. I don't know if they dip on the road to 2K, 3K or what. But all I can tell you is say, just go and support the thing, man. Like up, tell a friend to share up. And share up and send and do a lot of things. You see me? Yeah, man. I don't know where go, man. Fishing World 876, man. I don't remember Resai, but I don't know that Resai. But I two runners on a proper spot for come put out nothing and come see me, you know. I just come full of here and look and you don't know a ship. Watch it. Out there. Pretty piece of river, you know. I don't even want to go no further because I don't even know if that sand is sinking or what, you know, but as a white boy, they would not say anything for each chat, but me and a white boy, me and them are two different sets. Me a Jamaican, I'm rough. But when you don't know anything for each chat, we go over there said way. If you want to sink, you sink. We call for help. After we not dead, we are drowned. What a pretty river, but one thing I run in my mind. Me I want the crocodile on there. Cause I'm me alone. Me tell you say I some white boy shit. I some white boy shit they sick now for happen to you know. Boy, I don't know where they get a black man like me and chat. So me I tell you say Sinky, look how far my foot gone. Hey, me can't you know. Jesus. Hey, watch it. Watch it. Chat me no fi turn back. Me no fi turn back. But the place look like you can tour you out. Me not tell a lie. Me I move like them foreign white boy then now I let my foot a sing. Move the mind me say I want snake, me get for run. And sweet up if you do more. You know me I turn back. Then say they will find time for your glass, but he not find time for me now. So I will hit back the lonely road going back this side. I only want to send me a code later when they watch a video you know can go on, so no alright. Hey, what that? So to leave run for my foot, me I feel make sure why, you know, cause I don't trust them shit here, you know. Oh, I don't trust them because I'm so scared. First I'm me alone. Cause I don't come here say, one man to go pro can take you up on a vlog, I don't know where you do and sit and kill him off. I don't know how to talk about me so easy. I don't have here say I jump off of $1 billion for $6.4 billion. Watch it man. It's a lovely view. Check it out man. Portland, you know. Anytime I don't want to escape, man, come find Portland, man. River nice, and guys, this is true that the browning. Okay, guys, I don't want to get excited when I show you where this then, you know. This is cherry. I don't want to know too. I got chat. See me? Name selector. Entire eyes. It's not buyer. You don't know. Yeah, tell me I go fishing around 876. Because I did put on some style panina, but I never know about it. Never real to but with it, I not do that. Yes. Where there, boy? Of course, Paris Ridge. Paris Ridge, guys. Hey, come back. Come on. Outside, what's that now? Just good.
So that's why we shop the light. And every day I will fight. Yes, my style, you're a woman, my fan. You have to read mine when she come round to the family. Me and me end up in a neck back. Pussy me now.
Yeah, I'm also. Yeah, son. What worry about for? Forget wet. Yeah, forget wet. See, now I'm gonna want to show. Why DJ name? Why DJ name? Come on, I'll give you this. I'm black. No, sir, right there, so. Happy birthday to you. Am I drinking a liquor? And food, you know, say serious business. More of my food. I'm happy. Seabow. My name is One Machiavelli. Yeah, I don't lie. Yeah, man, one fishing world, man.
Fishing world, 876.
One jet music. Seabow, come. Yo. Top chef.
I want to touch this pan, man.
Yo. Drop the one. Yo, no, you want that. Yeah. Hungry? Yeah. I'm just now. So I kind of.
White rice, I go far away. You can go again when they eat white rice. When they eat white rice, rice and peas. You're going to lead us somewhere.
Yeah, man, I right thing that. I'll be a right thing. I know you want more than that, you know. Not trade the river, you know. I know you want more than that.
They want spoon, please.
Alright.
Go one spoon.
Yo, you see next time? When you come over, you carry one pack of ketchup yourself. Cut them and mix them. And you carry one spoon.
You might want to think you don't have everything.
No man, she want enough meat.
Gravy ask about snapper. Jesus, man.
You're not gonna want them boss. You're not gonna want them.
I've got a cold cat coop one service. You can't sell pussy. I don't have a penny. Gorilla close there with beef like James.
Everything. Just give me some curry gravy.
Just like
breast part.
Yeah, do that. Give me that.
You know, long me hungry.
Yeah, my boat me on.
Okay, you know, my food. Protein.
Yeah, look one there, time later.
When
When you think for your one bit, it's beef.
This louder. Jerk chicken.
Everything. Rice and peas, everything. White rice, curry, black, lamb.
Fry.
That's a plan.
Hold on, buddy. I'm plan. You want the plan by the side?
I say fourth round this.
Not say that.
Fifth.
I joke with food, man. Anyway, you see me, man. People, anyone
Don't
see me.
prepare something, you know?
Fruit Loops, stop going so. Fruit Loops are fifth plate this, you know.
Don't say that.
Oi. If I name FIFA, you're 6. Don't tell a lie.
If I need 6
Fruit Loops.
And if it is
Fruit Loops,
6,
come here. You can't hide that. You can't hide that.
Come here. Come here.
So we are going with the food.
Well, I know how much plate this.
How much
How much time is? Second. Dozo.
DJ, they are some of the most hungry. That's some of the most hungry. No, Fruit Loops.
Yeah, man, catch him up.
No spoon is not here right now.
Let's go.
Fruit Loops, come on, man.
This are 6 and 7.
Food, man.
I must joke on that.
This, look for me.
Them a tell myself to share one food for money and then them a video me.
Oh, no.
Go my 7 plate.
Don't bother with this.
Nah,
Don't
set
bother
me
with
up. I set
this.
me up.
This are 6 and 7.
I set me
If I'm 6 and 7, 7 and 8.
Fruit Loops, not ready for taking food now.
No, but come on, man. Go take food, man.
Yeah, man, so we're there. At the end of everything, you know. We pack up everything, you know.